Hello everyone, this is Mamta Moon and today we'll learn and solve self-practice exercise question 5H, questions 1 to 5 of chapter 5. Chapter name is Fractions of class 6 of New Learning Composite Mathematics textbook. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. Let's get started and solve some questions. What we learn today? Today we learn and solve self-practice exercise questions 5 page, questions 1 to 5. Chapter chapter is fractions and topics are converting fractions into equivalent fractions, reduced fraction to simplest form or mixed fractions into simplest form. Now we'll solve question number 1. Question number 1 is write as equivalent fractions with denominators equal to LCD. LCD is lowest common divisor, that is the LCM. We have to find the equivalent fractions of these two fractions whose denominator will be equal to the LCM of this denominator of these fractions. Converting the fractions into equivalent fraction, just equating the denominators equal to the LCM by multiplying the same number with both numerator and denominators. Then that fraction that we get is called the equivalent fraction of that fraction. Here given first bit is 2 divided by 5 and 9 divided by 10. Here LCM, here denominator is 5 in 2 divided by 5 and denominator of 9 divided by 10 is 10. So first we have to find the LCM of the denominator 5 and 10. LCM of 5 and 10 is prime factorization of 10 is 5 multiplied with 2. So LCM of denominators 5 and 10 is 5 multiplied with 2, that is 10. So LCM of denominators 5 and 10 is 10. Now 2 divided by 5. We have to convert this fraction 2 divided by 5 into equivalent fraction equating to the LCM, that is LCD of the denominator 5 and 10, that is 10. We know the denominator 5 multiplied with 2 is 10. So we have to multiply the same number 2 with both numerator and denominator of the fraction 2 divided by 5. So we get 2 divided by 5 equal to 2 multiplied with 2 divided by 5 multiplied with 2. As 5 multiplied with 2 is 10, which is equal to the LCM or LCD of the denominator 5 and 10. So 2 multiplied with 4 is 4 and 5 multiplied with 2 is 10. So we get 4 divided by 10, which is equivalent fraction of this fraction 2 divided by 5. Now we have to convert the second fraction 9 divided by 10 into the equivalent fraction equal to the denominator LCM of the denominators 5 and 10, that is 10. We know 10 denominator 10 multiplied with 1 is 10, which is equal to the LCM of or LCD of 9, 5 and 10. So multiply the number 1 with both numerator and denominator of 9 divided by 10. 9 multiplied with 1 is 9 and 10 multiplied with 1 is 10. So we get 9 divided by 10, which is equivalent fraction of the fraction 9 divided by 10. Now 4 divided by 10 and 9 divided by 10 are two equivalent fractions of the fraction 2 divided by 5 and 9 divided by 10. Now we have to solve question number second bit B. 3 divided by 8 and 7 divided by 12. We have to express these fractions into equivalent fraction with denominators equal to the LCD of these denominators of 3 divided by 8 and 7 divided by 10. Converting the fraction into equivalent fraction, just equate to the LCM or LCD of the denominator by multiplying the same number with both numerator and denominator of the fraction. So here first we have to find the LCM of the denominators 8 and 12. We know prime factorization of 8 is 2 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 2, and prime factorization of 12 is 2 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 3. So LCM of 8 and 12 is 2 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 3 equal to 24. So we get LCM of 8 and 12 is 24. Now we have to convert the fraction 3 divided by 8 into equivalent fraction equal to the denominator of the equal to the LCM of the denominator 8 and 12, which is equal to 24. We know denominator 8 multiplied with 3 we get 24, so we have to multiply the denominator 8 with 3 we get 24, and we have to multiply the same number 3 with both numerator also. So numerator 3 multiplied with 3 is 9, and denominator 8 multiplied with 3 is 24. So we get 9 divided by 24, which is equivalent fraction of the fraction 3 divided by 8. Now we have to convert the second fraction 7 divided by 12 into equivalent fraction, which is equal to the LCM of 8 and 12, that is LCM 24. We know the denominator 12 multiplied with 2 we get 24, so we have to multiply the same number 2 with both numerator and denominator. Multiply the numerator 7 with 2 we get 14, and multiply the denominator 12 with 2 we get 24. So we get 14 divided by 24, which is equivalent fraction of the fraction 7 divided by 12, which is equal to the fraction 7 divided by 12. So 9 divided by 24 and 14 divided by 24. 9 divided by 24 and 14 divided by 24 are the two equivalent fractions of the fraction 3 divided by 8 and 7 divided by 12, which is equal to the LCD or LCM of the denominator 8 and 12, that is equal to 24. Both have the same denominator 24. Now we'll solve question number third with C. 5 divided by 6 and 1 divided by 9. We have to convert these two fractions into equivalent fractions with denominators equal to the LCD, that is LCD of the denominator 6 and 9. Converting the fractions into equivalent fractions equal to the denominators by multiplying equal to the denominator LCM of the denominator by multiplying the same number with both numerator and denominator. Then the fraction that we get is the equivalent fraction of these two fractions. So first we have to find the LCM of the denominator 6 and 9. We know prime factorization of 6 is 2 multiplied with 3, and prime factorization of 9 is 3 multiplied with 3. So LCM of 6 and 9 is 3 multiplied with 3 multiplied with 2, which is equal to 18. Now we have to convert this fraction 5 divided by 6 into equivalent fraction just equal to the denominator, which is equal to the LCM of the denominator 6 and 9, that is 18. We know multiplying the denominator 6 with 3 we get 18, which is equal to the LCM of 6 and 9. So multiply the number 3 with both numerator and denominator of 5 divided by 6. So multiply 5 with 3 we get 15, and multiply 6 with 3 we get 18. So 15 divided by 18 is equivalent fraction of the fraction 5 divided by 6. Now you have to convert the fraction 1 divided by 9 into equivalent fraction just equal to the denominator, which is equal to the LCM that is 18. We know multiply the denominator 9 with 2 we get 18, which is equal to the LCM of 6 and 9. So multiply the number 2 with both numerator and denominator of 1 divided by 9. So multiply the numerator 1 with 2 we get 2, and multiply the denominator 9 with 2, we get 18. So we get 2 divided by 18, which is equivalent fraction of 1 divided by 9. So we get 15 divided by 18 and 2 divided by 18 are the two equivalent fractions of the fraction 5 divided by 6 and 1 divided by 9, which is with denominators equal to the LCD of the denominator 6 and 9, which is equal to 18. Both have the same denominators, that is equal to the LCM of the denominator 6 and 9, that is 18. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. If you like this video, then please click the like button and share this. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. If you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.